We're here today looking at a landscape that we finished about 2 months ago. We started this the first week in March, and it's around May 15th now. So we started it just a great time to do landscape because it gives it about 3 months before we have the growing season. So in the back here, we did something totally different. Instead of doing it using evergreens, we did little blue stem grasses. It's going to be very upright, very clean. We have a Walker's low catmint here and here. Each one of those is going to be about 3 feet around, about a foot tall, Japanese maple. Then we just did 3+3 boxwoods on either side of the house, right there on either side of the front porch. Very simple, very low maintenance with the weed barrier and the rock. It's going to be super easy. I'll show you the edging also. In addition to the 3 boxwoods in the back there, we also planted the tree. We got that. This is the west side of their house, so they need some protection from the west sun. 3 boxwoods, 3 Fairview yews, and then we did Carl Forester grass over here. Those are each going to get 4 feet tall. Another striking contrast. You'll see these beds are very sparsely populated, and that is just to make it super easy to maintain, super clean. I want to go ahead and come in here on the edging and show you what that edging looks like. So the edging is all set in concrete on a base of concrete. It just curves around and separates the grass from the turf grass from the landscape area. I'm going to pause it and we're going to go around back and see what they have around back. So this couple had the existing brown deck up there, and then it was just grass along the back of their house, and they didn't like navigating trying to walk down that, so they asked if we could just build a walkway. So there's a 5-foot walkway along there, and then this space right over here lent itself real easily to a raised garden bed. So we set that all in. It's all anchored to the house. They went ahead and did the planters and filled that up, and then it's a 7-foot by 12-foot raised planter bed right here. I want to show you just a little bit. Vegetables, flowers, show you a little bit about the construction there. 6x6 architectural timbers. You'll see these gaps. That's on purpose. We want to do that so that the water can get out, so it's not a bunch of water pressure right there. So they love it because they can access it. It's 6 inches higher than their step. They can walk up in there, they can pull weeds or do whatever they need to. Super simple, super easy landscape.